Hi, everybody. Michael Walker and Brian Marcum here with Golden Technology. And we just wanted to stop by for a minute to let you know about some exciting new developments with Golden Technology and some of our capabilities. So, hey, Brian, how's it going?
I'm well, Michael. How you doing? I absolutely thank you very much for setting this up real quick. I'm sitting in Boston, Massachusetts at the Bullhorn Engage conference where we're learning all things about AI this week because we are definitely in one of those companies trying to get there. But before we get there, I have
Excellent.
some exciting news for everybody. Last year, we went through a pretty decent sized acquisition of an organization that enabled the entire organization to take our services globally. So we've always been able to provide excellent resources both in the United States and honestly in India as well. But now we have consultants throughout the globe. And what this does is it provides us an opportunity for us to provide a broader bandwidth of capabilities, cost-effective solutions to our clients, which primarily includes nearshore and offshore. And so nearshore is same time zone, same uh, part of the hemisphere. Um, excellent folks with great communication skills and definitely a cost-effective solution if you're having trouble with unsticking that backlog of your life cycle, of your agile life cycle. And so we have some excellent resources. Last year we went through and interviewed and evaluated all this talent and found out they were fabulous, like unbelievable. The skill sets are tremendous. Their communication skills are excellent. Many of them, I'd ask them, "Hey, were you educated in the United States?" They're like, "No." I'm like, "Holy cow, you're excellent." So we're here to launch our nearshore and offshore, not necessarily launch, but just expose it to you all, these capabilities to the rest of our clients and to the world and to our territories. So that's the main reason sitting in this lobby. And Michael, we have a little bit of a presentation to throw up there, don't we? Just
We
to kind
do.
of go through it fast. Anything else that you'd
Yeah,
like to
let's get
add,
into it.
Michael? We can get into that thing.
Well, while I pull it up, I'll just add that I would have been there with you because, I'm a software and an AI nerd, but I have a very important date with some guys from Australia this evening. So we're going to the ACDC concert.
Yes.
So that kind of took a little precedent.
Yeah, dirty deeds done dirt cheap, right?
Yes, indeed.
So, so
So
we
here we
are
are.
here. We are. So I'll just fly through this real quick, folks. But I just want you guys to spend some time on it. Developing people driving innovation. And when we use the word developing people, we're not just talking about developers, but we like to build people, grow people holistically. And so that's a big tagline for us. And let's go to the next slide real quick. Um, this is just a brief capabilities overview. You can hit pause and read through it if you'd like, but it basically, what we basically are saying is through a rehearsed and repetitive framework, we're able to evaluate and grab talent in all kinds of different levels in Colombia, Central South America, Costa Rica, Mexico, India, Europe. So we now have talent acquisition experts on staff that can go out and find those folks. Let's jump to the next slide real quick, Michael.
Global flexibility.
Global flexibility and see and just so you're aware that we can do this kind of in four different delivery models. We can give you dedicated teams where here's a pod, here's four developers, a QA or two, scrum master, architect kind of thing. We can do it staff aug, time and materials. You need two developers to backfill a couple spots missing, go right ahead. And then statement of work stuff. So basically, we can handle it where you guys have a problem, and when we get done, we hand you the keys and you just start the engine and take off and drive it. And we provide those in multiple different avenues, whether you want the folks all in the United States, whether you want the folks in India, whether you want the folks in a hybrid model between nearshore and onshore. That works for us in our recruiting model, by the way. So all the different models that best fits your solutions, we can definitely hit it. Let's get to the next slide real quick. And then finally, our core capabilities. Not finally, we got one more slide of this, but We have some amazing talent. We have been through and evaluated this talent on a regular basis between full stack development, and I mean real full stack development, not just pretendies, and then data analytics, cloud services, DevOps, which is obviously growing and been growing for a couple years, few years now, and then in the QA space, just being able to just grind out that testing. You need those people to do that, and I think that this would definitely happen. And so these are our kind of our core buckets of solutions, and then skill sets on the next slide. Basically, just kind of takes a look at the titles of the
Couple
people, the
examples.
couple of
Yeah.
examples of people, from data engineers to QA engineers to full stack developers. These are folks that we can find. And by the way, typically, nearshore resources, just a little hint, is usually about half the cost of an onshore resource. I can tell you there's a lot of value to onshore resources, and but at the same time, when you have a backlog and you have a budget that your manager is not letting you spend past X, and you need to get this stuff done, this is an excellent opportunity to unjam that traffic jam. So there you go, Michael. That is our fun-filled, exciting nearshore and offshore capabilities. We're excited to just throw this out to everybody, and I think it'll definitely provide you with delivering your projects on time and under budget and exceeding your clients' expectations. That's what we do here at Golden. Thanks, guys.
Thanks so much for joining us. Let us know if we can help. We'll see you next time.